awan may report ko, but at the accomplishment report ko which I'm going to submit to the body, tapno makita tayo met apo ti naggapuanan ti 2025 tayo apo, and it will be recorded nga productive detoy 13 sangguniang panglungsod apo. The 2025 accomplishment report marks a significant transition of the city government of Lawag as the Sangguniang Panglungsod operated under two sets of official, the outgoing of the 12 Sangguniang Council and the incoming of the 3rd City Council. Ti pagmayatan na dito po, datay lata ti nagbaling presiding officer na iso di transition kit awan na kuna nga transition tayo iso noan natin ni Brian tayo ti 12 po, isumet lang ti inadaptar tayo ti 13th Sangguniang Panglungsod po. Ti legislative output, ti 12 Sangguniang Panglungsod from January to June 2025 po, nakapasa dati 74 resolutions, 17 ordinance, and 4 appropriation ordinance. Ti 13 Sangguniang Panglungsod from July to December 2025 po, nakapasa tayo ti 62 resolution, 20 ordinances, 3 appropriation ordinance. Ti 12 Sangguniang Panglungsod na po from January to June 24, nakakonduct ti 25 regular session. Ti 13 Sangguniang Panglungsod from June 30 to December 23 po, nakakonduct tayo ti 26 nga regular session. The combined output ti 2025 tayo kakadwakit 136 resolution, 37 ordinances, and 7 appropriation ordinances. Dito ti key achievements ti ordinances tayo po when it comes to governance and institutional reforms. We approve City Ordinance number 13-2025-001 iso ti search the best performing barangay thanks to po RB Ablan na po, deto'y 002, Ilocano na Daeg Awards Inabel.